Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Trello Power-Ups for advanced board workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Trello Power-Ups for advanced board workflows, start by logging into your Trello account. Navigate to the board where you want to add Power-Ups. Locate and click on the Show menu option on the right side of your board. In the menu that appears, select Power-Ups. You will be taken to the Power-Ups directory, where you can browse various options. You can search for specific Power-Ups using the search bar. When you find a power-up that interests you, click on it to view more details. Review the features and benefits of the selected power-up. Once you decide to use it, click the Add button to enable it on your board. After adding the power-up, you may need to authorize any required permissions. Once authorized, you can usually find the power-up settings either on the board menu or directly on the card interface. If applicable, configure any settings specific to the power-up you've added. Repeat this process to add more Power-Ups, depending on your workflow needs. After setting up your desired Power-Ups, explore them in action by creating or editing cards. As you create a card, observe how the Power-Ups enhance the functionality and ease of management. Utilize features like automation, custom fields, and integrations with other apps for optimal performance. Encourage team members to familiarize themselves with the Power-Ups enabled on the board. To manage your Power-Ups, revisit the Power-Ups section in the board menu. From here, you can enable, disable, or configure existing Power-Ups as needed. Remember that some Power-Ups may have limits based on your Trello plan. Always keep your team's needs in mind when selecting and configuring Power-Ups. Regularly review and update your power-up configurations to adapt to changing workflow requirements. Incorporating Power-Ups can significantly boost your productivity and collaboration in Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.